Number for the modern Warbark 3200 horizontal chipper is an industrial-grade wood processing machine designed for efficiency and safety, powered by a robust engine. This chipper horizontally shreds wood logs into uniform chips. Ideal for various industries such as paper and biomass, its efficiency, coupled with safety features, positions it as a preferred choice for businesses seeking reliable wood chipping solutions. The machine's capability to handle diverse wood types and sizes makes it a versatile asset in the forestry and wood processing sector. Number 5. The Fendt Ideal 9T Combine Harvester is a state-of-the-art agricultural machine engineered for high-efficiency grain harvesting with advanced threshing and separating mechanisms. It ensures optimal grain quality while minimizing losses. Smart technology allows for real-time monitoring and adjustment, optimizing performance in the field. Its versatility and precision make it an indispensable tool for modern farming, increasing overall efficiency during the crucial harvest season. Number 6. The Dipperfox Stump Grinder is a powerful and compact machine designed for efficient stump removal. Its innovative design enables it to access tight spaces while maintaining high grinding capacity. Equipped with carbide-tipped grinding teeth, it swiftly grinds stumps below ground level, facilitating land clearing and preparing areas for replanting. The machine's versatility and effectiveness make it a valuable asset for forestry and land management, providing an efficient solution to the challenging task of stump removal. Number 7. The Klassen Cutter is a precision turf cutter crafted for landscaping and turf renovation projects with adjustable cutting depth and sturdy construction. This machine efficiently removes old turf, enabling quick and easy replanting. Widely used in golf course maintenance, sports field renovations, and landscaping applications, the Klassen Cutter stands out for its reliability and precision in achieving seamless turf removal, paving the way for improved landscape aesthetics. Welcome to Tech Minds. Today, we're diving into the coolest tech trends. Buckle up and let's explore the future together. Number 1. The Pumpkin Harvesting Machine is a groundbreaking agricultural tool designed to automate and optimize the pumpkin harvesting process, utilizing state-of-the-art technology such as computer vision and robotic arms. This machine identifies ripe pumpkins and delicately detaches them from the vines, minimizing damage and maximizing yield. With a systematic collection system, it significantly reduces the reliance on manual labor, offering cost savings for farmers. This innovative machine is a game-changer for pumpkin harvesting, bringing efficiency and precision to the forefront of agricultural practices. Number 2. The Arbus 4000 Self-Contained Sprayer represents the pinnacle of precision crop spraying technology, featuring a self-contained design with a spacious tank for pesticides, cutting-edge spraying mechanisms, and GPS-guided navigation. This machine ensures accurate and efficient application of chemicals. Its adaptability to various crops and terrains makes it a versatile asset for modern farming practices. Farmers benefit from increased efficiency, reduced wastage, and improved crop health, establishing the Arbus 4000 as a vital tool in sustainable and cost-effective agriculture. Number 3. The Crawler Harvester, boasting an impressive 280 horsepower, is a robust and efficient solution for large-scale harvesting operations, ideal for expansive fields. Its horsepower and advanced features contribute to increased productivity and reduced harvesting time. The Crawler Harvester stands as a key player in modern agriculture, catering to the needs of farmers seeking reliability and efficiency in their harvesting processes. Designed for precision digging in various soil conditions, with its adjustable digging depth and efficient trenching mechanism, this equipment is ideal for laying cables, pipes, and utilities. Its powerful engine and rugged design ensure optimal performance, making it an essential tool for construction and infrastructure projects. Number 12. The Diggleman Rock King is a robust rock picker, designed to clear fields and prepare them for cultivation. With its advanced picking technology and durable construction, this machine effectively removes rocks and debris from the soil, enhancing the efficiency of planting and harvesting processes. The Rock King's versatility and reliability make it a valuable asset for farmers striving to maximize their land's productivity. Number 13. John Deere skidders are powerful forestry machines designed for efficiently transporting logs from forested areas to processing sites. With their durable build and strong pulling capacity, these skidders navigate challenging terrains, making them essential for logging operations. Equipped with advanced features like grapple arms and winches, John Deere skidders streamline the logging process, ensuring productivity and safety in the forestry industry. Number 14. Roll press pickers, commonly known as balers, are pivotal in modern agriculture for efficiently collecting and compressing crops into compact bales. These machines play a crucial role in hay and straw harvesting, simplifying the storage and transportation of these essential agricultural products. Equipped with advanced rolling and compressing mechanisms, balers enhance the overall efficiency of the harvesting process, contributing to the optimization of farm operations. Number 15. The Orlundi trimming machine is a specialized equipment designed for precision trimming and pruning in orchards and vineyards. With its adjustable cutting height and precision blades, this machine ensures accurate trimming, promoting healthy growth and increased yields. Its maneuverability and efficiency make it an indispensable tool for horticulturists and vineyard managers. Enhancing the overall health and productivity of fruit-bearing plants, the Orlundi trimming machine exemplifies precision in agricultural practices, playing a vital role in maintaining and optimizing orchard and vineyard ecosystems. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMinds for more exciting content like this. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights. Number 8. The Challenger MT7605 crawler tractor is a high-powered and versatile agricultural machine designed for heavy-duty field operations. Featuring a durable tracked undercarriage and advanced hydraulic systems, this crawler tractor excels in pulling large implements, making it suitable for plowing, planting, and towing heavy loads. Its adaptability to various tasks and terrains positions it as an essential tool for farmers and contractors seeking efficiency and power in their agricultural operations. Number 9. The Agrometer SRS-1200 is an advanced soil and residue management system designed for modern farming practices, featuring rotating discs and adjustable settings. This machine efficiently incorporates crop residues into the soil, promoting better soil structure and reducing the risk of erosion. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for conservation tillage practices, contributing to sustainable and environmentally friendly farming practices. Number 10. The autonomous bale mover represents a leap forward in agricultural automation, offering a robotic solution for handling and transporting hay bales. Equipped with sensors and AI-driven navigation, this autonomous machine identifies, lifts, and transports bales with precision. Its efficiency reduces the need for manual labor, making it a time-saving and cost-effective solution for large-scale hay operations. The autonomous bale mover exemplifies the integration of technology into agriculture, streamlining labor-intensive tasks and enhancing overall operational efficiency in the field. Number 11. The Sunfish Trencher is a specialized excavation machine